Is that fucked up or what? Okay, so today I am going to replace the water pump belt and also this Y pipe here is leaking pretty good. So water pump started making some grinding noise. This is the I guess recall one. Dodge is telling me that it's like a 3-week to 2-month national back order, some bullshit like that. So I just went to Cummins and got it myself. It was 50 bucks. Yeah, it's on national back order. Got it right away. They had 10 in stock. So I'm gonna go ahead. I guess some people will call this the hard way. I actually call it the easy way. My old ass. Getting all down in here. Going to be a pain in the ass. I know I can get the water pump off without pulling the fan and shroud, but I'm going to go ahead and pull it because it just makes things so much easier to get to. The belt's so much easier to put on. So the fan and the shroud's going to come off. Alright, so first things first, I am going to drain the coolant, and then I'm going to loosen these nuts up to where they're hand tight for the shroud, and then take my trusty fan wrench and pop that nut loose. And then also there's a harness here you got to watch out for that goes to the clutch, plastic bracket. So it has a little plastic little pin, whatever. Anyway, pop that out, take that off, harness, and then all this can come out. Alright, there we go. Nice and easy to get to. I get my top hose off, all that. And there it is. So I'm going to take a Dremel, cut the plastic tabs, break them off, and then manhandle this hose off of here, and then switch everything over to the other one. I went ahead and I got the black market, the aluminum Y, since mine cracked, and I don't want to deal with that issue anymore. This thing's like $100. Looks pretty good quality, TIG welded. It's a nice piece. So hopefully that solves my problem for a while. And then it comes with the clamps. I guess, and I just use the original on that. And here's the water pump and the O-ring. Here's my part number. Like I said, 10 in stock, no problem, 50 bucks. Okay, so here's the old pump. No wheat pole. So for there, it sticks like, I can feel it like every half turn or so, it like kind of grinds. And then here's the new one with wheat pole, plastic impeller. Alright. I got most of the coolant out, but of course some drained out of there. And I do have some fluid contamination inside this harness, so I'm going to spray that out with some brake cleaner. As far as the mounting point goes, you really can't see it on this video, but it doesn't really have any rust. I mean, other guys will probably sand it or use a wire brush. I don't want to get any contaminants in the fluid, so I'm just going to wipe it and then install the pump. So one thing I'm going to do when I assemble this pump, I'm going to take some of this petroleum jelly, put on the seal so it stays in while I install it. Alright, water pump's in, super easy job. Go ahead and cleaned this out, some brake cleaner. Alright, so we are all back together, and my phone doesn't want to focus. There we go. Cleaned up the wire. Alright, so now I just got to do this top hose. Doing things with one hand. I gotta get a tripod. Anyway, now I can just break it loose, get that thing off. Alright, hoses are off. Just make sure it's like they use silicone or something in there from the factory, some kind of sealer. Get all that shit out of there, and then I will put everything onto the new one. Well, it got dark on me, but trying to let this thing warm up at an idle. It's at 190 so far, so I think it'll warm up on me. Might have to take it for a drive. And then I can top off this cooling system and purge the air out of it. It turned out pretty good so far. Like I said, it got dark on me, so I'm going to have to call this the end of the video and pick up some gear on another day. Alright, here we go. A little bit of an update. This is the still hot. This is the radiator hose crossover, the white pipe that I replaced. This thing's actually working out really nice. No more leaks. It's nice and solid. No plastic to worry about breaking, and then the water pump down there, all good with that. I can't focus. I'm not even rusted up yet. But yeah, I mean, the last time I shot the video, it was at night, and I couldn't take this follow-up video. But here it is, and more to come.